So 2 months I've stayed at home, and I'm really glad that I've spent such a amount of great time with family.
So many areas to think about, what we have been missing out in every day.
Yeah, I mean, initially none of us thought it was 2 months, right? It started off as a 2-week thing.
Well, it's not such a good experience, but being at Windsor Grand, I think that's a great experience.
And in the house, which was never happened in our life. So, in a way, good.
It's more like a 7-star facility for me. This has all the amenities, so I had a ball of a time.
Your home needs to feel safer than any place else, and that is the meaning of home.
You feel like staying here, working from here, playing. It's like a world in itself.
इन्होंने जितना केयर किया यहाँ पे, ये पूरे बिल्डिंग को जिस तरह संभाला है, I am very happy.
Yeah, the more time that we got, my family and I got to spend here during this lockdown, we got to explore like the different parts of the building.
When we are shooting, so we are like up early and we come home in the night and we sleep. We never used to look what is there in the house, which wall is proper, which wall is
not. We know every nail in the house.
Now we know everything, every corner of the house, every wall.
Living in such a good environment, it always gives you a better feeling.
So it has been like very well taken. It has been sanitized properly, and there was a proper security. There was nobody was allowed inside from outside.
जिस तरह से इन्होंने केयर किया है बिल्डिंग का, बहुत सारी फैसिलिटीज़ बहुत अच्छी तरह से रखी हुई है.
It was wonderful because this society, we found it very, very safe and sound and hygienic.
Initially it was like, "Arey yaar, itna restriction," but I think in the long run it was for everyone's security.
We've been very well taken care of. There is no one who's coming and asking us anything, because it's like saying that you're flying business class and nobody is coming and disturbing you again and again.
It's a big fortress, okay, and a very well-maintained fortress, and everything from the guards to keeping it clean.
Most of the security and other protocols were well managed by the professional team, which is deployed by Windsor, which is the JLL.
And the thing is that we don't have to go out at all for anything actually. Everything has been taken, everything is brought in.
We had like vegetable vendors and stuff coming in, and everything was happening within the building, and there were like sanitization stations everywhere.
They have strict security, but then they listen to you, they understand, and they solve the problem.
I think overall, in this kind of a crisis, which is once in a lifetime, I think something like this has happened. So, stepping up and taking care, it's commendable.
बहुत सारी फैसिलिटीज़ बहुत अच्छी तरह से रखी हुई है, और जितना सिक्योर ये बिल्डिंग है, मुझे लगता नहीं इस वक्त में कोई बिल्डिंग है.
The security in terms of people that are going out and coming inside the building at the gate has been very, very, very tight, which is great. Some people might complain, but I think it's great.
Shooting start ho.
So really looking forward to start working, but again with safety and with all the precautions.
Just go for a long drive or go to a different scenery.
Meet friends first of all, and then obviously go abroad.
I think just work.
Work, going to my office.
I want to travel.
I will be celebrating my life each moment. Hi, this is Harmeet, one of the Meet brothers.
Hi, I'm Vikas Kalantri.
Hi, my name is Payal.
I'm KU Mohanan.
And I'm Malvika Mohanan.
Karanveer Bora.
Puneet Goyal.
I am Remo D'Souza.
Hi, I'm Lizelle D'Souza.
We are secured at
Windsor Grand Residences.